Pwede nating sabihin na ang breakfast is the important meal of the day. Pwedeng totoo, pwede rin hindi.
But pinakamahalaga na meal sa buong araw ay breakfast. Well, mali ka dyan. Social manipulation yan.
Here's why breakfast has no business being in the morning when you wake up.
As long as we can remember, ito ang tinuturo sa atin sa school or even in the commercial. Di ba? Tama ba ako or mali? Narinig nyo na ba ito or wala? Anyway, hindi ko talaga yan maintindihan noon. Yung quote na breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Not until naintindihan ko ang mechanism. But, some experts say this is a scam. Some conspiracy theory out there even speculate or nagkakahaka na ang pharmaceutical industry at ang food industry ay ginawa ito na propaganda for their profit. So, alin dito ang iyong belief? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Or it's a propaganda or a marketing strategy? Let me know in the comment section. Your comment, your belief.